In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently remove SHEIN Shopping app from your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, to uninstall SHEIN Shopping app is pretty simple. Just open your apps and then go to your app here. So as you can see, my app is here. And to uninstall it, just long press on your app and you should see an option to uninstall. This is the shortest and the easiest way to achieve this. However, if you are missing this uninstall option, then you can do the same through Google Play Store. So go to Google Play Store and search for your app, and now you should see an option to uninstall from here. If I tap on uninstall, this will remove the app from my smartphone, and therefore if I go back to my apps and open the apps, now you see we no longer have SHEIN Shopping app on this phone. So that's how you can uninstall SHEIN Shopping app from your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.